Hello, in this video I will show you how you can install Pygame, a library for graphics and sounds that helps in 2D game development with Python programming language. So in this video I will show you how you can install Pygame in your Linux Ubuntu in this case, or in any other Linux or Unix operating system. I'm in the official website of Pygame. You can go in the Getting Started page and you can find instructions. For Linux you have to go to Unix binary packages, and you can see that you can use sudo apt-get install, a line that you have to write in your terminal. I go in my terminal and I write sudo apt-get install Python Pygame. I will use Python Pygame and not Python 3 like it's written here, because I want to install Python for Python 2, Pygame for Python 2. If you want to install Pygame for Python 3, you just write Python 3. By running this command in your terminal, the package is installed. That's basically all you have to do. Then after the package is installed, you can import it inside your programs and you can use the Pygame library. If you're facing any problems, it's probably because you installed the wrong version. You're using Python 2 instead of Python 3, so just install both of them. Just install also Python 3 or Python 2. That was today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.